Today on World Famous Foods, beef masala. Let's cook. Okay, so we're going to start off by frying our onions. Okay, we're going to add some cinnamon, some cloves, some black peppercorn, of course another wonderful recipe from World Famous Foods. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Let this saute. So now we're going to add our beef. Our beef, of course, we had marinated in some garlic, ginger paste. You can smell this, folks. The aroma is already wonderful. Okay, now we're going to add our ginger garlic paste. Also add our tomatoes. Alright, so now we're going to add some coriander. Turmeric, we put some Kashmiri chili powder, some paprika, smoked paprika, and some Garam Masala. Mix this all up. A little salt. Now we're going to add some water. Then we're going to cover this and let it cook for a couple hours until the beef is nice and soft. Alright folks, it's been 2 hours. Our meat is nice and tender. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add some parsley. And turn off our heat. This is our recipe, folks. I'm going to plate it in a minute. We're going to enjoy some World Famous Foods beef masala. See, look at this. See this? Be back in a minute. Alright folks, here we go, our finished product. Look at this. Beef masala. Got some rice, got some naan bread. Time to enjoy this. World Famous Foods.